We have another interesting circuit theorem question on the board. Let's see how we can find the relationship between x and y in this diagram, right? One important theorem you will have to recall to find the relationship between x and y is the theorem of a right angle of a circle. Remember that whenever an angle is formed at the circumference of a semicircle, that angle is equal to 90 degrees. It is a right angle. So here we have a right angle because this is a diameter. It passes through the center of the circle. So this is a semicircle at the top and then at the bottom. And an angle is formed at the circumference. So it is what? 90 degrees. So we can, with this information, we are able to find the relationship between x and y. So to do that, we'll simply say that this angle at this position, let's say ABC plus BAC plus BCA. All of them will give us 180 degrees. That's why you have this angle, the angle, the angle. When we add all of them, we have 180 degrees. So for an easy solution, let's make use of angle at A, angle at B, and angle at C. All of them will give us 180 degrees. So we already have the angle at B, right? And then the angle at A is x, and the angle at C is what? Y. So I would say the angle at A, x, plus the angle at B, which is 90 degrees, plus the angle at C, which is y, is equal to 180 degrees. So collecting like terms from here, we have x plus y equals to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees. So when we subtract, we are able to get x plus y equals 90 degrees. So from here, you can easily see that the relationship between x and y is what? 90 degrees. When we add the value of x and y, we have 90 degrees. Of course, that is true because since this angle at the circumference of the circle is already 90 degrees, the sum of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. So we have just about 90 more angles to get the total angle in this triangle, which can be distributed to x and y, even though we don't know the values because it is not isosceles. So we cannot say that each of the angles is 45 degrees. This is wrong. All we know is that the sum of the both of them will give us 90 degrees. So 90 degrees remains the relationship between x and y when they are added. I hope you have learned something new today. Please kindly like this video, share it to your friends, and return for more interesting math tutorials. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next upload. Bye.